Good morning. Now let's learn science, the new chapter, the animal kingdom. See, in this animal kingdom, we are going to learn about the animals. See, the animals are a different type. They are even fully different. In the shapes, they are different. Means the size. Some are small, some are medium, or some are big. Some are bigger, and even their foods are even not similar. Okay, they are also different. So the animals are different in colors also. So now we are going to learn about these animals only. See, example like cow. See, the cow is a big in the size and the color is black and white. And you can see the picture of the cow. Okay, so the cow is colored black and white and it eats grass. But other animals does not eat only grass. Okay, example cat. Cat drinks milk and it eats mouse. Okay, so you can see the cow eats grass but the cat eats the mouse and it drinks milk. That's what the animals, all the animals are different from each other. Now we are going to learn about these animals only. See, about these animals, see, we have backbone. Okay, some animals also have backbone and some do not. Now we are going to learn about the backbone. See, the backbone we have. All the humans have the backbone. Okay, some animals also have the backbone, but some do not have the backbone. See here, which animals have, they are known as, there are two types. Okay, which has, they are known as something different, and which do not have, they are known as something. Now, which have the backbone like us? See, the backbone is first in the human. Okay, in which the backbones are there. Some animals also have, which are known as the animals which has the backbone are known as vertebrates. What? Vertebrates. And the animals does not have the backbone. Does not have. They are known as invertebrate. Okay, which has backbone known as vertebrates, which does not have the backbone known as invertebrates. So these two are the different two types of animals. Some are vertebrates and some are invertebrate. Vertebrate means which has the backbone. Invertebrate means which do not have the backbone. Now मैं आपको हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. तो हम लोग सीखने वाले द एनिमल किंगडम न्यू चैप्टर है. तो यहाँ देखते हैं, हमारे पास बैकबोन है. ठीक है, तो ऐसा ही कुछ एनिमल्स के पास भी बैकबोन होता है. ठीक है, मतलब पीछे का जो हड्डी होता है बैकबोन में, वो बैक में होता है. पीठ में जो हड्डी होता है उसे बोलते हैं बैकबोन. ठीक है, तो सो एनिमल्स के पास भी है, जानवर पे भी है बैकबोन. ठीक है, सो जिसके पास है उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं वर्टिब्रेट्स. और कुछ एनिमल्स के पास बैकबोन नहीं है उसे बोलते हैं इनवर्टिब्रेट्स। जिसके पास है उसे बोलेंगे वर्टिब्रेट्स और जिसके पास नहीं है और उसे बोलेंगे invertebrates. Now let's see the examples of the vertebrates and the invertebrates. Vertebrates. Vertebrates, example of the vertebrates. Now let's see the examples of the vertebrates. So which are the examples? Some animals, I told you, they have the backbone. So which animals have the backbone? Easily you can guess. Okay. So first you see which has backbone and here invertebrates. First let's learn of invertebrates. In invertebrates, the example one is ant. Ant is an example of invertebrates. It does not have a backbone. Okay. And not only the ant does not have the backbone, there are many animals that does not have the backbone. Okay. Not only the ant. See, invertebrate ant. How? See, this is the I'm drawing the ant and showing it. Just to think that this is an ant. This is an ant, you think. This is the head of an ant. You know that. Okay, this is the head. See, this one is the head of an ant. Okay, so, and the remaining parts, if you want to see, the remaining parts, this and this, first you see, this are the legs, you know that. These are the legs. And this and this. What are these two? See, this part is known as the thorax. Okay, this part is known as the thorax. And this part is known as abdomen. This part is known as the abdomen. You can see here. See? Same like this, in the picture, this is the head, this are the legs, and this is abdomen, and this is thorax. Okay. So, this was some parts of the ant. Okay. So, the ant is an invertebrates. And there are some more invertebrates examples. Invertebrates examples such as they are cockroaches. One more. Cockroaches. Cockroaches. And not only the cockroaches, there are ant, cockroaches, butterfly, butterflies. Okay. And the octopuses. Octopus is an easy example for invertebrate. You have seen the octopus does not have any bone, then how can it have the backbone? Okay, this octopus and slug. Slug is an it's also come in the, it's an insect, slug. Slug is an insect. Okay. Not only this, there are many animals. Just for the examples, I have given this. Even there are snails. Even ant, cockroaches, butterfly, octopus, slug, and snails. This was the example of invertebrates. Now let's learn about the vertebrates. Which are some vertebrates animals? Now let's see. In the vertebrates, there are 5. Okay, let's see. what is means of amphibian and some others. Reptiles, mammals. Maybe you know meaning. You know the mammals. Maybe. Okay. Examples of mammals also I will tell you, and the examples of amphibian and reptile, and what is the meaning of that even. Okay, so here there are fish, amphibian and reptile. Okay, fish, amphibian, reptiles, mammals and bird. Bird even does not, it even has the, it's also vertebrate. We cannot tell that it don't have the backbone. Okay, the bird also have the backbone. So, let's, you know bird. Okay, bird you have seen, it's a creature. Okay, it's even a creature. Okay, that flies in the sky. It has wings to fly and it lays eggs. From that, the young ones hatch out. And now this meaning of mammals, amphibian and reptiles. You know meaning of fish. It lives in the water. Okay, some parts of fish. Easy, I will show you. Okay, this is the fish. See, this tree helps the fish to swim in the water. This is tail. This is fins. This and this is fins. Okay, and this is the marks that's called as scales. Okay, that are the marks called as scales. This. Okay, this was the part of the fishes. So this tree helps the fish to swim in the water, and this scale protects the fishes. Okay, so you know the fish, meaning of fish and bird. Now we are going to learn the amphibian, reptiles and mammals. Okay, before that, now I will explain you in Hindi this. तो invertebrates मतलब मैंने बताया जिसके पास बोन नहीं होता उसे बोलते हैं इनवर्टिब्रेट्स. उसका एग्जांपल्स है एंड कॉकरोचेस, बटरफ्लाई, ऑक्टोपस, स्लग, स्नेल्स. स्नेल्स वो भी एक क्रिएचर है, वो भी एक इंसेक्ट की तरह है, और स्लग भी. ठीक है, और स्लग और स्नेल्स छोटे होते हैं, वो भी इंसेक्ट जैसे. ठीक है, तो ये सब था एग्जांपल्स. एक एग्जांपल एंट से लेते. एंट का ये पार्ट्स देखिए, ये है हेड, माथा, और ये है जो पार्ट मिडल वाला उसे बोलते हैं थोरैक्स, और जो ये पार्ट है उसे बोलते हैं एब्डोमेन. ठीक है, और जो ये है उसको पता है पैर, पैर को बोलते हैं लेग्स. ठीक है, ये सब तो पार्ट एंट का. और यहाँ पर देखते हैं वर्टिब्रेट्स. व्हाट इज वर्टिब्रेट? वर्टिब्रेट्स मतलब होता है, देखिए बताया था कि जैसे हमारे पास बैकबोन होता है, ऐसे ही कुछ एनिमल्स के पास भी होता है, उसे बोलते हैं वर्टिब्रेट्स. तो उसका एग्जांपल्स है फिश, एम्फीबियन, रेप्टाइल्स, मैमल्स और बर्ड. फिश मतलब मछली. ठीक है, जो पानी में रहता है और छोटे छोटे जो एग्स देते हैं उसमें से वो हैच होता है. हैच मतलब उसमें से बेबी निकलता है, उसे बोलते हैं हैचिंग. वो टूटने का, जब वो एग्स टूटता है उसे बोलते हैं हैच. ठीक है, तो फिश आपको पता है मछली मतलब. बर्ड एक उड़ने वाला जीव है. ओके, वो उड़ता है, और ये जो बर्ड है वो भी सेम फिश की तरह अंडे देते. एग्स, अंडे को बोलते हैं एग्स देते. और उस एग से बेबीज निकलते हैं, मीन्स वो टूटता है और फिर इससे बेबीज निकलते हैं, ठीक है। और यहाँ एम्फीबियन, रेप्टाइल्स और मैमल्स मतलब क्या होता है, तो देखिए अभी मैं बताती हूँ। So now we are going to learn about the amphibian. What's amphibian here? Amphibians means I will tell you in a sentence. Okay. So amphibians means, see, the animals which lives on both meaning of amphibian is the animals which lives on both land and in water. Some are animals which live in the water also and in the land also. Examples of the animals that live on the land and in the water. See the examples. Newt, salamander, and see, if you are thinking that the next is frogs. If you're thinking that the crocodile is also an amphibian, it also lives in the land and in water, but it's strong. Okay, but it's wrong. You're telling how does it is wrong? Wrong. See, the crocodiles are not the amphibians. It's something other. Because the amphibian only live in the land and in water, but the crocodile only live in the land. If you are thinking, no, it lives in the water. Yeah, I know. But it lives in the land. But in the land, see, in the surroundings, there will be no animals to eat. When they could not find any animals to eat, or is the crocodile want the food, that's why it go to the water and find some fishes. That's why they will go to the water. Actually, they are living in the land. Okay, see, if the crocodile do not get the food, so it goes to the water and find it. Okay, so that's why if you're thinking that the crocodile lives in the land and in water, no, the crocodile only lives in the land. But to find the food, it goes to the water. Okay, so the crocodile is not a amphibian. This was meaning of amphibian. The animals which lives on both land and in water. Our topic was, say, bird, amphibian, reptiles, bird, amphibian, reptiles, mammals. Okay, mammals and fishes. Leave the fish. This is finished and the bird finished. Amphibian even finished now. So next we are going to learn about the reptiles. See, the amphibian, the animals which lives on both land and in water. Example, newt, salamander and frogs. Frogs also lives in the water and in the land. Okay. So now I will explain. आपको हिंदी में करती हूँ. Amphibians मतलब क्या होता है? The animals which lives on the land and in water मतलब जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, जो जानवर होते हैं, वो पानी में भी और जमीन में भी रहते हैं, ठीक है, उससे बोलते हैं एम्फीबियंस, ठीक है। उस ऐसा एनिमल्स कौन कौन सा है? एक न्यूट, न्यूट एक जानवर है, वो भी लैंड में भी, मतलब जमीन में भी रहता है और पानी के अंदर भी रहता है, ठीक है। और सैलामेंडर भी कैसा ही एनिमल है। और फ्रॉग्स, फ्रॉग्स मतलब मेढक, ठीक है, मेढक भी कभी कभी पानी में रहते हैं और कभी कभी जमीन पे रहते हैं, ठीक है। सो ये था एम्फीबियंस के बारे में। सो अभी बर्ड का फिनिश्ड और फिश का भी फिनिश्ड, अभी एम्फीबियन का भी फिनिश्ड। नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं रेप्टाइल्स के मतलब, ठीक है। सो नाउ about the reptiles, I told you, we are going to learn what is means of reptiles. See, the reptiles meaning the animal which only lives on the land. Say what? The animal which only lives on land. The animal which only lives on land is known as reptiles. Amphibian means the animals which lives on the land and in water. But the reptiles means that only live in the land. The animals that only live in the land. So these are the examples of these. See, the examples of these are crocodile. Yeah, I told you the crocodile only lives in the land. So the only lives in the land animals are called as reptiles. So the crocodile is an reptile. And not only the crocodile, there are some more. One is crocodile and one more is gharial. It's also like a crocodile only. Okay. Not only this two, there are many. Just for example, crocodile and the gharial is the reptiles. These two are the animals which only lives on the land. Okay. So now we finished the reptiles. Okay. And the reptiles give the eggs. They lay the eggs and that legs hatch out and the young ones come out. Okay, and even the amphibian, what is the examples of amphibian? Example, frog. Frog lays a cluster of egg. How can you see here the cluster of egg that is? Okay, so this cluster of egg is known as a spawn. Okay, this of frog eggs they are. Okay, that are the eggs. When they lay the eggs, from that the young one hatch out. Okay, so like this, so the amphibian also lay eggs, even the fish, even the bird and the reptiles. Now we are going to learn just the mammal lay eggs and even meaning of mammals. See, now we learned bird, meaning of bird, fish, amphibians, reptiles. Now we are going to learn, you will only say the mammals, meaning of mammals and does they lay eggs? That. Okay. So meaning of the mammals is they is the animal they give birth to the young ones. See, mammals means they give birth to the young ones. Okay, mammals is a simple thing. They give the birth to the young ones is known as mammals. Example of this. Example of this. Which are the animals that give birth to the young ones means which are the animals give the birth to the young ones are known as mammals. Okay, and these 5 bird, fish, amphibian, reptiles, mammals are vertebrates, and the cockroaches, ant, butterfly, slug, and all are invertebrates. So we are learning the animals in the vertebrates. Okay. We learned bird, fish, amphibian and reptiles. This is mammal. Examples of mammals now. Meaning of mammals, they give birth to the young ones. Example of mammals. We can write easy. Okay, that's, mom, it's simple. Okay, we can tell hazardous tiger, lions, even a cow. Okay, even the cow. But we don't want now cow. Okay, tiger and lion are the simple 2 examples. You have maybe seen this small young ones of the tiger and lion in the photos and all. Okay, so the example of the mammals are tiger, lion, and one more is that is dolphin. Okay, that's dolphin. The dolphin is a water animal, but also it is a mammal. The dolphin is a water animal and also it is a mammal. Now, not only this lions and tigers and dolphin, even one bat. Bat actually is a bird. No, it's not a bird. It's a mammal, but it flies. Okay, bird even give the birth to the young ones. Okay, and even the whales. Whales are the animals. They are the huge, means they are so larger in the size. They are the animals, aquatic animals. They are. Okay, and they are mammals. They give birth to the young ones. Okay, so this was the examples of the mammals, and this was the meaning of the mammals, and this was the some vertebrates. So अभी मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. mammals मतलब क्या होता है? देखिए, mammals मतलब जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो डायरेक्ट बेबीज देते, ठीक है, मतलब दे गिव बर्थ टू द यंग वंस, मीन्स वो बेबीज देते हैं, वो एग नहीं देते, ठीक है, वो बेबी देते हैं और इसे बोलते हैं मैमल्स. उसका एग्जांपल्स कौन है? इजी है. टाइगर का जो बेबीज होता है वो फोटोज में आप देख सकते हैं. टाइगर, लायन, डॉल्फिन, बैट्स, व्हेल्स, ये सब एक मैमल से. और यहाँ डॉल्फिन एक सी में रहता है, मतलब वो एक एक्वेटिक एनिमल है, वो जो पानी में रहता है ये डॉल्फिन, ठीक है, और फिर भी वो एक मैमल है. और वेल भी पानी में ही रहता है, पर वो बहुत बड़ा साइज में है, ठीक है. और बैट एक बर्ड है, ठीक है, बैट एक बर्ड है, पर वो बैट एक उड़ता है, ठीक है, बैट उड़ता है. उसे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं वो बैट एक बर्ड है, पर वो बर्ड नहीं, वो एक मैमल्स है, ठीक है. सो अभी मैमल्स का भी फिनिश. बर्ड, फिश, एम्फीबियन, रेप्टाइल्स और मैमल्स एक वर्टिब्रेट्स है, और इनवर्टिब्रेट्स में cockroaches, ants, butterfly, octopus, slug. Okay, so ये सब example है invertebrates. These are the examples of invertebrates, cockroaches and butterfly, octopus, slug. So ये सब examples है invertebrate और vertebrates के. और amphibian, reptile and mammals का meaning. ठीक है. So mammals है वो एंगल्स को देते हैं और बाकी बर्ड, फिश और एम्फीबियन और रेप्टाइल्स आएगा. जैसे इतना है वो एक्स देते ले एक्स, पर मामल्स को छोड़ के ये सब एक्स को देते और ये और बेबीज को देते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज the science, the animal kingdom. Okay, so this was about the vertebrate and invertebrate, about the animals. So thank you. In the next video I will teach you about something new.